you're a whitetail hunter, then it's hard to ignore the hype the last few years surrounding the use of tree saddles. As blue-collar guys, we have to be smart about the gear we spend our money on. Finding products that actually work to make us more efficient hunters and not getting too caught up in the bells and whistles. Recently, Luke decided to pull the trigger and purchase the Hawk Helium. With a few dry runs under his belt, our free time finally aligned and we got out on our first hunt to try it out.
I got the Hawk. I already had the sticks from last year, so I didn't have to spend an extra $100.
There you go.
The saddle was $300 and the platform was around $100. If you looked online, you can probably find some stuff a little bit cheaper.
With familiarity comes proficiency, and there is certainly an element of learning and adapting involved after a lifetime spent in hangers and ladder stands. You didn't almost fall, did you?
No, I'm only one rung up, so...
Okay, so we're good. Luke picked it up quickly and probably took no more than 15 minutes hanging not only his steps and platform, but 2 additional hanging stands for my son and I.
Here this morning hunting, and I just wanted to go over what broadhead I'm using real quick. I chose the Annihilators this year. It's a solid piece broadhead, so they fly fairly quiet. They don't let any air get through there. And if you look at the broadhead, the way it's coned out, it actually creates an air pocket around that arrow shaft, and they fly extremely, extremely well. I was able to get all 6 broadheads to hit with my field points at 50 yards with just a little bit of knock tuning. I mean, it took me maybe an hour to tune all 5 broadheads and arrows. And like this one, it came right out of the box. I didn't have to knock tune at all. Flies extremely well with my field points. Doesn't have a real huge cutting diameter. I'm kind of curious to see what kind of blood trails it puts down, but we gotta get a deer out from this first, so let's see if we can do that.
After hearing only a few turkeys and the Missouri heat and humidity starting to escalate, we decided to pack it in. So first time in the saddle, pros and cons.
Not really any cons that I can think of. Once I'd spent a lot more time in it, I'd be able to give a better review, but first and foremost, I love it.
So initial
thoughts,
great,
outstanding.
And
I wish I would have bought one years ago.
And what kind is it?
It's a Hawk Helium.
Hawk Helium.
Awesome. I paid about $275 sticker price for it, so you're looking around $300, and then $100 for the platform, and then whether you have sticks or not, if you got to buy sticks, you're looking at another $100 probably. So it's not a cheap way to hunt, but it's just a game changer. It'll make running and gunning during the rut just so much better, so much easier.
Yeah, but instead of buying a bunch of different stands that you set up throughout the year, I mean, you can go anywhere. You know,
yeah.
You set it up every time, go anywhere. It's easy to set up,
yeah,
take down.
That's the only downfall, is just having to set it up every time.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of private land where I've got stands already hung up, and I'm already looking and thinking about trees I can put a saddle in instead of hunting that stand. It's just comfort level is, I think they're more comfortable, especially you get into them long all day sits. It's just game changer. Wish I would have bought one years ago.